Previously on Tortellini's Kitchen.
Guys, we gotta get the meal done. Did you get all 300 cheese souffles already? What the heck are you guys doing?
I think I accidentally burned my whole station, like the whole thing right there.
It's because you did, idiot.
Ow!
Idiots. SpongeBob? I got the Krabby Patties done. We're supposed to be making true souffles. Well, these are filled with love. I don't care about your love. Make the cheese souffle. Animal, you're making a mess over there.
What? Animal good cook! Animal professional!
Get off of me, you animal. Literally. How you doing at your station, Johnny? You dumbo. And what are you doing over there, Shrek?
Oh, well, Donkey, you see, I'm making my first class cheesecake. And I'm making sure to make it extra creamy.
Cheesecake. Man, this is horrible. This is horrible. Oh, wait. That's the wrong show. Anyway.
Previously on Toy Story Short. Previously on Toy Story Shorts. It was Valentine's Day with the Toy family. They all want to celebrate, except Woody, who did not have a love for Valentine's Day. But the lovebird wanted to heal this family and all the problems they have. So right now, here is his chance and his honor to fix this family's life. And now presenting Toy Story Short, The Lovebird, Part 2. Should have walked away.
Yo, Woody, alright?
Yeah, sure, in some alternate universe, yeah, I'm just peachy.
Oh, Woody, when's he gonna get over the Bo Peep?
Oh, poor Woody. Looks like he's never gonna find a love, Jesse.
I know. At least you found your love. And speaking of love, I'm gonna go get ready for that dinner tonight. Come on.
Yeah, dinner.
Oh, getting butterflies again like last year. Butterflies, butterflies. Mr. Potato Head, can you do a double date again?
Fine.
Oh, I'll get the suit ready. Get your hands off me, Mr. Prickle Pants. Oh boy. I'm gonna get you your tie, your shoes, your shirt, everything. Fine, whatever.
Farewell, Woody. I wish you the best of luck.
Cupid will come your way. This is my job. I gotta fix my hair. Alright. Let's go help some lovebirds. Alright, man. How are we gonna do this? Whatever. This is my first day. You know how to work these things. Gotta dropped it already. Alright. So I just shoot him or whatever. I'm doing it for these people. Alright, hopefully nobody sees that I'm a mythical beast and they're trying to capture me. Hey, you! Huh?
What the heck are you?
Well, they call me the Lovebird because I'm Cupid's assistant.
You think I'm dumb? I know Cupid exists. Just kidding. Cupid doesn't exist.
Well, actually, Cupid does exist, and have you heard of the arrows? Well, this is an actual arrow that Cupid has used, and has lended it down to me to make lovebirds.
Yeah, I'm totally, not buying this at all. It's just really dumb. Alright then, fine. If you're, really, whatever you say you are, the lovebird, Cupid's assistant or whatever, let me see that arrow and test it out.
It's against what I have rights to, but since you, Dumbo, don't believe me, go ahead and test it out.
I'm gonna test it out on this frog right here. How am I going to win the ladies back? Ow! Ow, beautiful. What's your name, beautiful? Get off me, you weird frog! I guess you weren't lying.
Yeah, now let me do my job. Job. J. Jesse.
Oh, I'm finally gonna win over Jesse! Yay!
Hey, give me the arrow back! I didn't say you could have those!
Run as fast as you can if you want to catch me, the sexy man!
Hey, man, that's not fair. I didn't say you could have those.
Oh, shut up. Well, happy Valentine's Day to me. Yes, me, Larry Lightyear, Buzz's annoying cousin Larry, is finally gonna win Jesse over. Oh, happy Valentine's Day to me. I'm gonna get the little bug off my tail. Aha! Close the garage. No. I'm locked out. How am I gonna get in? This jerk. He ruined my job. I'm gonna find a way into this house one way or another. So, I hear you got a big date tonight with Buzz. Well, yeah, we got a big date tonight. Oh, yeah, me too. Actually, our couple on yours is actually going to go on a double date. Again, like last year? Yeah, you know, Buzz and his butterflies in his stomach. Oh, yeah. Well, my honeykins is going to give me a ring tonight. Well, that's great for you. You need some dating tips? I got some dating tips for you. How to make your boyfriend kiss you 24/7. Chapter 1. That's a little too much, don't you think? Nope, I freaking love it. Yeah, so then I was all like, oh yeah, what's up, Buzzy boy? Well, Larry, the guy who tried to steal my girlfriend, Larry, where are you going? Well, you see, after all these days, finally gonna get her, Buzz. Prepare. Ow! You okay, Jesse? It looks like you got an arrow in your butt. Huh? How's that? You hunk of a man. Get over here. No, Jesse, I'm the one you love. It's me, Buzz Lightyear, not Larry. It's me, Buzz.
Who are you? I've been in love with Larry my whole life. So, you can just chill, you little guy, whatever the heck you are. Larry.
No, I'm your boyfriend, me.
You're a weirdo. Come on, let's go, Larry.
Yay! Finally got her. No! How? Jesse! What is happening here? This day without love is it's not even a day to live. Oh, Woody, I understand. Yeah, Buzz, everybody gotta love. Bullseye, Mr. Potato Head, heck, even Sharky fell in love with himself. Yay! Let's start planning our honeymoon! Yay! Just the way the world is, Buzz. Not everybody has a love.
Nee, come on, girl. Nee.
And even Rex.
Oh, I just love the way everything connects in your system. Well, hold on, girl. I gotta go take a break. Ooh, a teddy bear. Maybe I'll get that for my special girl.
Coming for you, Rex. La 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 dee la 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 pa 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 pa. Enjoy your life now, cannibal. All right, looks like it's time for my date. I need to look very appealing for my wife. Well, actually, I think I already look sexy. Oh, that better not be in my mirror behind me who I think it is. Yes, it is! It's Valentine's Day, Mr. Potato Head. I'm going to make you ultra super sexy for your date.
Come on, you gotta admit, don't I already look good? No, I can't go for that. No, can do. Can't go. I can't go. We need to fix you up. Go back to your crying. Why were you crying earlier? Karen. Anyway, let's fix you up, okay? We're gonna make you look awesome. Again? You're gonna do this again? Yes, I am. I'm gonna make this potato look steaming, like a fresh baked potato. Hit me with your best shot, dude. Fire away. Oh, did you mean for me to punch you or put the clothes? I'll go get the clothes. Oh my God. Mr. Potato Head, can I borrow your mirror? Oh, there she is. Because it always seems that I can see my date if I'm in a mirror. Whatever. Go ahead. Alright, come on, let's go, Sharkeisha. Sharkeisha? Oh, Sharky, I get it.
Oh man, what's all the possible mayhem he's causing with my arrows? Oh.
Yeah, excuse me, Mr. Bird, sir. You do realize that there's an entrance over there, Dumbo?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, and now you owe me 10 rubies.
Yeah, how about 10 kisses?
That was only 3. I hate life.
Alright, I made it to the house. Now I gotta go stop that Larry guy. Larry!
Alright, I'll be right back, girl. Hold on. What? You? What are you doing here?
I came back to reclaim the order and the arrows.
Oh, well, what else, man? Well, that's too bad, because I already got the girl, alright? So stop bothering me and go deal with your own stuff.
I'm supposed to be filled with love because I'm freaking Cupid's assistant, but today you're making me full of fury.
Oh, you're so beautiful, girl. Oh, are you okay, girl? What the heck is going on here? Oh, she looks alright. Okay, seems I got most of my pieces on, but where's my nose? Oh, no, that's not good. What do you want from me, you crazy bird? Give me the arrows. Fine, here, take your friggin' arrows. All I ever wanted was love.
Well, you've been doing it the wrong way.
Buzz, what just happened? Jesse, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine, Buzz. What do you mean? Did I go somewhere?
Nope. You're A-okay.
Now get out of here. You don't even know what love is.
Alright, fine. Whatever. Goodbye, annoying cousin Larry. Adios. Farewell. Bye. Whatever, man. I'll get her one way or another. Freaking stupid bird.
Alright. I guess it seems that nobody's seen me yet, so I think I can still continue with the job.
Who the heck are you? Are you my dinner? Ow, what the heck? Oh, look at this magnificent unicorn. Hey there. I'm a dude. I don't care. Whoa, what? You're a girl. I'm a dude. Are you my Valentine? No!
Hey, who the heck are you?
Are you a new toy here?
No, you can't know about me. Ow!
I never had a thing for dinosaurs, but you might change that. What the heck? Hey, that's my dinosaur feminine. Hey, what are you talking about, man? This dinosaur is all mine. No, she's mine. Aren't you mine, girl?
Whoa, what's going on here? You guys are my friends.
Oh, that's my dinosaur woman over there. Get off of her. Come on.
Okay, I gotta stop messing up. I gotta get this love thing right. Nee! Oh, no. to be horrible. What the heck is this, man? Who the heck are you? You're a flying bird? Oh, whoa. Oh, hey there, birdie. Little birdie. You're my little birdie. Ah! Why are you running? Why are you running, huh?
Hi.
Why aren't you falling in love with anybody?
Oh, because I'm Sharky, and I choose whatever I want to do in life.
Whatever.
It looks like those are all my pieces. Oh, hey there, Jesse.
Oh, hi, Mr. Potato. That's awful really close there. That's all right. What? What? Oh, no, you don't! Someone give me my purse.
I'll get it.
Get up here, you spud for brains.
What is this? Hi-ya! Ow!
How do you like that? Now throw me back up my purse. Thank you. Oh no, what have I done?
What's up, buddy? How you doing? Get back! Get back! I'm not in love with you! Get over here, it's not weird!
Leave me now! Get away from me! What have I done? What have I done?
Everybody stop with all this madness at instance right now! What are you doing? And who are you?
I tried making people fall in love. I tried healing this family's love. I came here for the cowboy. He was so depressed and I just wanted to help him. I tried to help all of you. I saw a wife messing around with her husband, beating him up. Saw a widow crying over his dead wife. I just wanted to help you all, but I can't because I'm a horrible person.
Thank you, little guy. It's very kind of you.
Yeah, I'm Cupid's assistant. They call me the lovebird, but I'm probably gonna lose my job after all this horribleness. Maybe you can fix it. Is there any love potions that bring you back to your original love if something like this does happen? Potion 2649-8? Potion 2649-6. -8. I'll see if I can, but the rest of this job has been horrible. And also, the potion, it gets rid of any mythical beast you have seen, such as my and me. So, you guys are gonna forget about me. It's alright, go on. Now, we don't want you losing your job, now do we? Tip of the hat to you, cowboy.
You guys are a loving family. Alright, let's do this. Alright, I found it. Everybody gather up.
You know what would have been funny? If you would have shot it at me and my son, I would have actually loved him.
Alright guys, this is goodbye.
Goodbye! Yes, goodbye!
Goodbye, lovebird. Keep doing what you're doing. It looks as if
I am doing a good job. Happy Valentine's Day. What are we doing here?
I don't know, but I do know that it's Valentine's Day. Yay!
Oh yeah, let's continue on with our day. Jesse, if you would please take my hand to the dinner party, which starts at 8, and what time is it, Mr. Potato Head? About 7:30. 7:30, I gotta go get ready! So do you, Mr. Potato Head.
This again.
Alright then, let's continue this Valentine's Day. Stay tuned for part 3! Yes, that's right. To be continued.
Nee!
Oh, here's my girlfriend. Sorry that I accidentally called you Sharkeisha earlier. Guys, her name's actually Eileen. Alright, come on, Eileen. Oh, I swear, Eileen, I get down.
Everything, stay tuned for part 3. Coming soon. You've got a friend in me if you subscribe. Happy Valentine's Day, folks.